Hello everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of storage on LinkedIn. We go to settings here. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page here you will search about LinkedIn app. Here we go to first stop and you click OK. After that you will enter to storage. Here we go to clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.